N8N versus Botpress. Best AI automation software in 2025. I'm going to tell you how N8N and Botpress stack up. N8N is a self-hosted, open-source automation platform designed for users who need flexibility and data control. It supports over 400 integrations and allows for advantage logic and scripting, making it ideal for complex workflows. Botpress, on the other hand, is an open source conversational AI platform that enables developers to build, deploy, and manage intelligent chatbots across various channels. It offers advanced natural language understanding, or NLU, capabilities and a visual conversation tree builder, making it suitable for creating sophisticated, multilingual chatbots. In summary, choose N8N if you require a versatile automation tool with extensive integration capabilities and prefer self-hosting for data control. Choose Botpress if your focus is on developing advanced multi-channel chatbots with robust NLU features. Both platforms are powerful in their respective domain, so your choice depends on whatever your primary need is: workflow automation or conversational AI.